Hey, what's up everybody, MKBHD here. Apple's at it again, dropping that new iOS heat. This time it's iOS 18, and you know we're all about that early access life. Beta season is here, which means we get to play with the latest features before everyone else. Now I know what you're thinking, beta, early access, sounds risky. And yeah, there are always a few things to watch out for. That's why we're breaking it all down, step by step, so you can decide if jumping on iOS 18 beta is right for you. This isn't just some boring update. We're talking potential game changers here. Think new ways to interact with your phone, apps getting serious upgrades, and maybe even some surprises Apple's kept under wraps. Excited? You should be. Let's dive in. So, what's new in iOS 18? First off, there's a revamped home screen experience that's more customizable than ever. Widgets are getting smarter, and there's a new focus mode that adapts to your daily routine. Imagine your phone knowing when you're at work, at home, or out and about, and adjusting itself accordingly. Plus, the Messages app is getting a major overhaul with new ways to share and interact with your friends and family. And let's not forget about privacy features. Apple is doubling down on keeping your data secure. From enhanced app permissions to new tracking controls, iOS 18 is all about giving you more control over your digital life. So buckle up because we're about to explore all these features and more in detail. Stay tuned. So, why even bother with a beta? Good question. Let's dive into the reasons why you might want to consider it. First off, bragging rights. Seriously, who doesn't love showing off the latest software to their friends? Imagine being the first in your circle to have the newest features. It's like having a sneak peek into the future of iOS. You get to see and use features that others won't have access to for months. But it's more than just bragging rights. It's about being part of an exclusive group that gets to shape the future of the software. Installing the beta means you get to experience the new features firsthand. You become a pioneer, exploring uncharted territory. We're talking about testing out new designs, playing with updated apps, and discovering hidden gems before anyone else. It's like being on a treasure hunt. And here's the cool part. You actually get to contribute to making iOS better. Your input is valuable. Found a bug? Report it. Your discovery helps Apple fix issues before the official release. Don't like how something works? Let Apple know. Your feedback can lead to changes that improve the user experience for everyone. Your feedback helps shape the final version of iOS 18. You have a direct impact on the software millions will use. Of course, there are risks. Beta software isn't perfect. This is beta software, so expect some bumps along the way. There might be crashes, bugs, and other issues, but hey, that's part of the fun, right? Embracing the challenges makes the experience more rewarding. Plus, we'll cover how to handle any issues later on. So stay tuned for tips and tricks to make your beta experience smoother. Alright, before we even think about downloading iOS 18 beta, we gotta talk backup. This isn't just a suggestion, people, it's crucial. Think of it like insurance for your phone. Why? Because beta software can be unpredictable. In the unlikely event something goes wrong, you don't want to lose all your precious data, photos, videos, messages, the works. So, how do you back up? Two ways, iCloud or your computer. iCloud's super easy, just connect to Wi-Fi, go to settings, then iCloud, then backup. Done. Prefer your computer? No problem. Connect your phone, open iTunes, or Finder if you're on a newer Mac, and follow the on-screen prompts. Easy peasy. Once your backup is complete, you're good to go. Remember, it's better to be safe than sorry. Section 4, joining the beta program. This is where the excitement begins. Alright, now for the good stuff, getting you signed up for the iOS 18 beta. This is your chance to experience the latest features before anyone else. First things first, head over to Apple's website and find the Apple Beta Software Program. It's easy to navigate, and you'll find all the information you need right there. You'll need to sign in with your Apple ID. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. This ID is crucial for accessing all of Apple's services. Once you're in, look for the Enroll Your Devices section and select your iPhone. This step is essential to ensure your device is registered for the beta program. Make sure you've backed up your device, told you it was important, and then download the beta profile. Backing up ensures you don't lose any data if something goes wrong. This is like a key that unlocks the beta update for your phone. Without this profile, you won't be able to access the beta software. After the profile is downloaded, go to your settings, then General, and scroll down to Profile Downloaded. This is where you'll find the beta profile ready to be installed. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to install. The process is straightforward, just follow each step carefully. Your phone might restart a couple of times, but don't worry, that's normal. These restarts are part of the installation process, ensuring everything is set up correctly. Once your phone is back on, you'll be able to explore all the new features and improvements in the iOS 18 beta. Enjoy being one of the first to try it out.